I said like I wait until I find stability, and like right now, um, I'm at like a little schedule. Um, I'm not even sure if I'm able to pull it up right now, but like I don't have like a class until Google Photos. I might be exposing myself too much by doing that though. Let's see. Like in my schedule, like I have like a lot of time on Fridays, so like I only have like one class, and like that class is like really late in the day, so I can like leave like at like a really late time, and like because of that I can like because of that I can like okay, I don't have it here. For some reason I really want to show you. I don't know why. Like, it just feels so important to me. Okay, it's not important. Fuck, I feel sick now. I figured that I could spend like an hour like just talking. Let me see, 6 plus 4. Yeah, I could spend like an hour just talking from like 4 to 6, or like from like or like from, I mean 4 to 5. Yeah, 4 to 6, but like, you know, like 4 to 5 ideally, so I don't waste too much time. So that's what I was planning on doing. And I could just be doing something. I could be like writing some code or something. Figure like now I could do that here, like comfortably. You know, like I have an hour of time, so like I'm not gonna like have like any mental strain or anything like that. I guess like so I'll just try to talk. Um, so my car got towed yesterday. I was like walking back, so like there was a place like next to like a Denny's, next to my school, and like I parked over there for a while because it was easier to like work with. And then like it was fine for a while. Like I was checking like if it got towed on the first day, I was like, okay, no problem. But then like it didn't get towed for like 2 3 days, and then like on the fourth day it got towed, and then like, oh no, like, you know, I got like, you know, I didn't know what to do then. So, like, and like I just kind of like stood around, um, you know, like I just kind of stood around the place, and I had to like call this dude. Like a lot of people just weren't picking up, and like it was kind of scary. And like for a second, I thought my car got stolen. You know, like if it got stolen, you know, what was I gonna do? You know, this is like if it got stolen, like I don't know. It's just a lot of money to lose, and like it'd be really bad if it got stolen, because like Taco Bell said nothing, and like the other company said nothing, and like the other number that I had to call, like they just weren't picking up for a couple minutes, and like they picked up like after 10 minutes, but like for a while I was just worried about that, like, oh no, like maybe someone like carjacked me or something, and like I don't know, like that'd be pretty bad, you know, if that happened. Actually, let me look at the numerical analysis stuff. Like, I don't want to like stress out about anything, but like I think it's best that I like take a look at least. Let's see. Where's the homework? Where's the homework? don't see any homework. Like, where is it? You said something about it. Oh my god, it's one of those syllabuses where, like, there's just no padding between the text. This is, like, super hard to read. Okay, wow, it's like a 50-50 division from the final and the homeworks. That is a lot. It's a pretty highly weighted exam. I need to make sure not to mess that up, or otherwise I will be in a lot of trouble. I should probably start studying for that right now, which should be doable because I'm already like halfway through the book, so yeah, I can do that. Where is the motherfucking homework? I don't see it anywhere. Math 405, I'm a professor. Professor, my name is Ayush. I wasn't supposed to get that. Oh shit, he got, that happened to me when I was a freshman. Like, that happened to me when I took the linear algebra final. He said that the homework was posted. I know the homework for Stat 410 is posted. Like, I saw it like in class. Like, it was on the side. It's like right here. Yeah. But I'm not really interested in that right now. I'm interested in this. I don't see it anywhere. Where is it? Does it say anything about where it is? You have to write the whole word. Okay, maybe we should make it part of the word. Is the word at least there? Work? Anything? Nothing? Let's see here. Homework, problem set, anything like that? Nothing? I'm not doing that. Just, I don't know where it is. Okay, so it says it'll be posted on Elm, so I guess I just have to wait it out. I'll just look at this then. Problem set 1, what are we dealing with here? Okay, it's just textbook problems. Theoretical exercises. 9th edition for 10th edition. Oh, what the fuck? This is like just work. Like, it's literally just work. Like, it's nothing, it's not even anything crazy. It's just work. Like, if this is the difficulty of problems that are being given to us, it's just work. Like, it's literally just work. Okay. Um, does seem like quite a bit of work to do, but chapter 1. Seven 17. Okay, sounds about right, yeah. It sounds about right. Yeah. It's like pretty similar to what was done in class. No, this is a tough problem. This is the LeetCode question. Okay, I think that's the crux of the problem right here. I gotta keep going. Okay, that looks easy. Okay, it's common as works. Okay, and now what we're really here for. Oh, change this problem to okay. They just made an easier version. Now what really matters, let's see. Let me take another look at this. Okay, it's like also just like a table question. Let me just prove that in class. Or something similar to it. Like this might be kind of difficult to do. 13. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So this is to the power of k, sum to the power of k. It's like -1 or something. We'll see in a sec. Actually, I think it's just 1 minus 1 to the power of -1 or something like that. And then it ends up equaling this. Actually, that's exactly what this is. It's just 1 minus 1 to the power of, like, that's it. I just answered one of the questions. Alright, so, good stuff. Alright, looks pretty, I kind of don't want you to do that again. I really wish you just, like, left it off. Like, just don't look at it until you're actually going to answer the questions. Like, don't, like, because now I just feel kind of stressed. Yeah, I'm just kind of stressed out now. Alright. Let me open the door. Just a sec. Really insecure about what I am doing. I'm like really insecure about that stuff. something kind of weird. I feel really insecure. I don't like thinking about that kind of stuff. I have to do leak codes and stuff, right? And it's just so hard to do now. Like, just nowadays, it's so difficult for me to just do them. Like I just struggle so much now. Oh wait, if I can make at least linear equations, I think that's good. Like, that's still pretty good. If I can at least make linear equations, I think that's pretty solid. So just plus everything by 1. Okay, I can't make linear equations. Pretty disappointing. I gotta take a look into why that's the case. Let's see. Why can I not make linear equations? Let's see, what are we getting back in return every time I... This is a function. It could be a big problem, it could be a small problem. We don't really know yet. Alright, so... How does this work again? I don't remember. How do you print in... You printf? Okay, and like put a dash in or something somewhere around here. Well, it's broken right now, so like it looks kind of bad on my behalf. It looks kind of bad in general. Okay, how about this? If I'm evaluating within a function itself, am I always at least correct? So if I like x to the power of y, or like plus 10 minus 3, I don't know what that number is. It's too big for me to handle. You know, I'm like I'm a fish here, you know. How about this? Okay, this, and I set all variables to 1. Oh, yeah, I'm nervous. Okay, I don't know if that actually works or not. It might just be like messing with me. Let's see here. I think when arithmetic gets into the picture, that's when problems start to come up. That might be the issue. Alright, let's see. So if I now... What is this? It's too big? I don't know what's what at this point. Are you inserting or not? Dude, this is weird. I don't like insert. Okay, so let's try that again. It's kind of sad this semester. I'm probably not going to write much code, if any. Okay, that's the problem. I think the addition is an issue. Something along those lines is an issue. I need to print like everything that's coming in and like figure out what to do with that. So I'm not, okay, so here add sub, I have to print this. I've been watching The Industry a lot as of lately, and like when I hear my voice and I hear how like American it sounds, it kind of like repulses me a bit. I don't like how American my voice sounds. Like, it sounds like really gross. I guess, I don't know. Like, it just sounds kind of nasty to me. Someone come and rescue me. Losing my mind and I Alright, so what happens here? I think it just crashed. I don't remember too well. It just crashed, right? Alright, so it seems like it's parsing pretty well. I don't think there's any issues as far as that goes. Okay, so I don't know where what is coming from. Is it simple or do I just not understand it? Alright, so add sub and then, okay, fair enough, yeah, that's what I wanted. Okay, also fair enough, sounds about right. Yeah, that's exactly what I want, yeah. Why is it doing it twice though? You already got what you need. Why is it doing it 2 times? You already got what you need. When does it call it again? Shouldn't have to call it twice. At least not like this. Come and rescue me. I couldn't come to class last time. Like maybe love is. I'll talk in a second. Just wait. Finish this. Let's see where this is coming from. But I didn't do anything yet. Oh wait, that was my fault. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, so it does go to var. So there's something wrong with the way this parses itself. It's not parsing properly. Okay, so get var. I think it might actually work as far as like that goes. What is index? Are you using index? You need to use the var index because the var index is what I need for, yeah, everything else uses like a special index. Why is this using a normal index? Am I losing my mind here? Or is this actually correct? Like, var, right? Okay, I think I do need to use this then. So it should be var index. Hold on, what? No, this is something. This is something else. You're thinking about something else. This is correct. Okay, yeah, that's what I was thinking of. Yeah, you do this. So should I just +1 the whole thing or something? Like I don't know what to do then. No, that's it. It's just that. That's it. I don't think that's what that means, but should be all there is. I don't even want to think about that kind of stuff, man. It's just really bad. It's really disgusting. Wait, I think there's a chance that... No, it's in this loop. Okay, I think there's a chance that like it's not returning whatever this is. Or like it just doesn't, it's not getting anywhere with this. It's a bit tedious, but it has to be done. I'm like struggling to discuss my emotions. Okay, it seems like it knows what it's doing. Why is it giving me the exact same thing twice? I don't understand. Wait, you're returning the same function. You're not returning... Why are you returning the exact same function? Like, if you're adding... Like, why are you returning the exact same function? And then evaluating based off of 0. Like, I think this is kind of weird. I don't know, like, what you're doing is a little strange here. You're evaluating based off of the... Yeah, but wouldn't it make more sense to just, like take the substring of whatever that is and push that ahead instead? Because, like, this isn't really doing you any favors, clearly, so it'd be easier just to do that instead. You could just make the entire thing, like, functional. I think that'd probably be a lot easier for you, so let's just do that then. It doesn't really matter, it still works anyways. Alright, so let's take a look. I need to basically get the way this works, how it copies after like taking a piece and put that in here. So I have to get how this stir copies. It's gonna take a bit of work though. After like a specific, yeah, like this. Okay, let's take a look at that. What is I? I don't know what that is. Oh, it's like the var index. If I can get it working, then I'll just use that instead. Where the fuck am I? Let me count as a man. Yeah. Let me count. You disappear and it makes no difference. Yeah, it is a terrible thing to be told by someone. We'll just see if it works, and if it doesn't, then we'll like adjust the numbers. Okay, so this is my double basically. Oh crap. I think Paris got it covered. Okay, here. Nah, just disappointing, unfortunately. What do we have here? I didn't even like, okay, well then it's probably just 0 then. Well, I don't want it to do that because if it's negative, it's gonna be like, that's gonna be a bit of a problem. Like, it shouldn't even be a problem, just like altogether. Yeah, this shouldn't even be a problem. I don't know why this is happening. Would you rather just fix it normally? Yeah, I kind of would actually. I don't really like doing this, to be honest. Let's see if that does me anything. That does me any good. If I get even some functionality, I'll just like start talking about something else. Nope. Let me just go back to where I started. Where you started is this. This is where you started. didn't matter at all. It just kept on getting more and more fucking dead. Shit. Oh, that would make me depressed, man. I should like make a guy who can like make tests for me, because I feel like I'm like emotionally attached to this thing working or not, so like I'm like less willing to be rough with it. Because that's a dumb reason. Like you don't need to pay somebody for that. Okay, it says that it's 1 for both of them. Wait, so that means if I just let me try this. What? I don't even know what just happened there. I disowned you. Why? It doesn't really matter. P doesn't matter. Okay, so this should just get me 3. Something simple. Okay, good. So on the additions are fine, but the problem is the functions are not finishing themselves properly, of course, because those are really the only things that could ever really have a problem here, to be honest. The more complicated part is mostly the parentheses. The parentheses are not taking values back properly. That's where most of the issues are. I think I already kind of knew that. Alright, so this is verd. This is an add sub, right? Yeah, add sub, so you gotta go a little bit further down, and then right here, I need to see so what's this number? Give me that number. debt in college, and then he just never paid off the debt, I guess. So walk me through what happened yesterday. That shouldn't be a problem. This should only happen one time, of course. So I would just make it print out this right here. Shit, man. X to the y plus z. What are we getting here? I can't tell what's what. I need to remove some printfs. Fuck, they're awake.
Danny,
Yes.
you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Is it not cold? Very cold.
It just feels good. The wind feels good.
Huh?
The wind feels nice. It's not that cold today.
Doesn't hurt you?
No.
The family hurts you.
Okay, fine, whatever.
You just put it around. Turn on the microphone.
I noticed that it's not going here. Like, it doesn't seem like it's even noticing that that's what it is. It's a var to a power, so yeah, but it's still a function though. It's like the thing. It's like still a function. So I'd expect it to like show up there in some capacity, but I'm not seeing that, which is kind of strange. Oh wait, no, hold on. You had the wrong idea. I'm kind of scared that I wasted my time. Oh, this is in the wrong place. That's correct. It is 1. Oh wait, I'm tripping. 1 to the power of 2 is 1. So that's correct. Wait, so what's the problem then? Flip the variables around, they start acting weird if you do a bunch of things. I know there's a problem. I don't want this thing gaslighting me. Like, I know there's a problem. Like, I know there's something in there. It's an issue. It doesn't actually work. Okay, I don't know why it's working all of a sudden. It's kind of weird. I know it's not working. Here, put another 3x in there. Put 2, and y equals 3. What happens? It breaks. It didn't even like... Did it seriously just break? I don't know why would that happen. That's just kind of random. What the fuck? It shouldn't just be crashing like that. That's weird. No, it just crashed. See, look. I couldn't handle that. Couldn't handle computing this shit. Yeah, Lord knows how it even got a number. I'm seeing that it doesn't work in general if it just happens to not work. So there's nothing wrong with like the nested stuff. There's just something wrong specifically with like how it's just evaluating on its own. Okay, so there's something wrong with this. So what's wrong with this? Is it the variables by any chance? That wouldn't really make a lot of sense, but we'll see if it is. No, okay, so we'll see. I don't really quite know what's wrong with this in the add sub. So this is an add sub definitely. So this is a variable followed by a function. So why is that a problem? Wait, maybe it's not evaluating as a function, like it doesn't think that it's a function. Okay, let's see, does it like say that it's a function? Five? What the fuck? Where are you getting 5 from? Why is it 5? What the fuck? Why? Wait. So does that mean that this works if I do this? Does it work? where that's coming from at all. This might be the problem. There we go, it's working. We got it fucking working now. That was the problem, it was over parsing. But is it working in general? I don't know. We'll see. Is that correct? No, that's like a bug. I think that number means it messed up. I need to get rid of all these prints and shit. I don't know what they mean. I'm pretty sure that's extremely wrong, so we'll look into that. It's 1 to the power of a number, yeah, that's super wrong, so we need to see what's going on there. It's 6 o'clock, I'm kind of just wasting my time now. I need to finish this. Okay. Wait, it didn't even like say that this was being used, like. What the fuck, man? I want to kill a human being. Why is that happening? Is that not being seen as a function? Ooh, an opportunity. Not a good one. Oh, fuck. I don't even want to imagine, bro. Like, this sounds really difficult to do. this problem happening? So it's not being seen as a function? So like, what is it even doing then? And I tested this part out pretty hard, so like, yeah, I don't think this should be a problem. Yeah, but I feel like I'm just kind of faking it the entire time anyways. Like, what good does any of that do me? Sorry, what the fuck? Why is it just saying 3 and then x? It should be 3x. Wait, let me think about this. So, no, that's not how this should work. It should be getting the function. It should be seeing a function and taking the entire function. Oh, but you didn't do that though. You didn't tell it to take the whole function. You didn't do that. Oh, okay, I see the problem. So you didn't tell it to like take the entire function. You just told it to. Wait, this is 3 times x to the power of, and you set x to 1, so this is actually correct. Okay, so if you did this though, so this is the real test here. If you did, no, this isn't the real test because I was getting a problem before, wasn't I? I don't remember it. Like, what is all this shit right here? That this is not correct. Like 1 to the power of all this shit should just be 1. But I know that's not correct though. It should just be 3. I wish I wanted to fuck me. I'm getting really insecure about it, man. Imagine if I was like an ordinary dude my entire life. Like I was just like, because then you actually are being sized up against other like dudes like normally, and like you just don't look very good, or just there's just something missing. You know, it's like one thing to try to be something else your entire life. There's another to like, you know, actually try to put yourself out there like that and still get nothing. You know? I'm just incapable of getting the thing that you actually wanted. 3x is a function. X is not a function. I know it's just kind of annoying that this doesn't work, and like, you know, just it's kind of like. I feel scared because I'm like cutting all my studying time for this, which is very stupid. Yeah, I'll just stop. This is kind of dumb. Or you can like push this shit to GitHub if that makes you feel better. I'll just get rid of my print statements and I'll push. This is very silly of me. There's nothing I can do about that now, just whatever, just fucking stupid. Just it's an immature decision for me to make to keep doing this. It's pretty immature of me. Alright, there. It's kind of working now. This is good. I have to go. I said nothing, you know, just hopefully I open up more